everyone, I hope you guys are keeping safe. Welcome back to my channel, and in case it's your first time watching, my name is Grace Tanga, and kindly watch my videos, like, share, and always leave your comment. Let me get to know what you think about my videos. And wait a minute, guys, I missed you so much, and guess what, we are back like we never left. So today, like you can see my dress code, today we are going to cook a simple meal. And so let's do this. So without any further ado, this is what you're going to do onto this video. We are going to cook matoke. As you can see, I've already got bananas, and just want to chop them and we cook. On my table, so I have a bowl with water. So as I chop, I'll be washing them into this bowl, and then that's our pressure cooker. So let's do this. So you guys, and since it's Christmas season, so we decided to put on this apron, as you can see. So before anything, let's wash our hands, and then we start doing this. Chopping the bananas as we get. This is how you are supposed to chop bananas, in case in case you don't know how to do this. If it's a big banana, actually you can take like all of your time, but since we are preparing for a few people, this won't take us along. You people can see. So this is how I was taught how to chop the bananas. Maybe you have your own different style. Kindly leave your comment. You guys, we are done chopping of the bananas. As you can see, we took a few minutes and we are done. So let's wash and put them in the pressure cooker so that we get ready to boil them. Actually, we are going to do it kienyeji style. So let's wash them and we cook. So let's just put this. These are the chopped bananas already. So let's put them in our pressure cooker. Guys, I told you we are going to do it kienyeji style, so let me get salt. This is the salt, so we are going to sprinkle the salt. Then a little of the water, just a little, since we are using the pressure cooker, so it needs only a little. And you know, for the bananas, you cannot cook like for more than half an hour. No, it's only a few minutes. So ready to put it on the cooker. So let's put it on the cooker. This will be cooked for like 10 minutes and it will be ready. So meanwhile, let's make salad. So next step, let's make our simple salad. And you can see a bowl full of veggies there. You can see onion, hoho, cucumber, avocado, tomato, what else? And in this one we have mint powder. You can use the leaves, or if you get the powder, it's okay. So for us, we are using the powder, the mint powder. So at this step, we are going to sprinkle some salt on our salad and a spoonful of mint. Then you mix it. Make sure it's mixed, all of it. So after this, we transfer it to our clear bowl. And ready to be served. Who else is salivating like me? So the bananas are boiled already, and so we're going to mash them, and we're going to use this potato masher to mash them. So time to mash these bananas, or the matoke. So that is the end product of this. Who else is salivating? So let's serve. Let's eat together. So guys, lunch is served. Lunch is served. Let's enjoy this. So thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, bye bye, and we love you guys. Mwah.